Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FL Studio smoothly on your Mac in 2025, whether you're just starting out or switching from another system. To begin, go to the official ImageLine website and download the macOS version of FL Studio. Once the installer is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it like any other Mac application. Just drag it into your Applications folder and open it from there. When you first launch FL Studio, head over to the Audio settings by clicking on Options, Audio Settings. Make sure you select the right audio driver, usually Core Audio for Mac users. This helps you avoid issues like audio dropouts or crackling during playback. Now it's time to get familiar with the interface. You've got the playlist for arranging your tracks, the mixer for managing effects and volume, and the piano roll for editing melodies and chords. FL Studio is built for drag and drop simplicity, so just drag your samples or instruments into the playlist to start creating. If you're using external instruments or heavy plugins, you might notice some lag. To reduce this, go back to your audio settings and adjust the buffer length. A smaller buffer helps with responsiveness, but may use more CPU. You can also go to Options, General Settings, and tweak the CPU performance mode or lower the sample rate if your system starts to lag. These changes help FL Studio run more efficiently on your Mac. When working on your projects, always remember to save frequently. FL Studio lets you save in different formats, including .flp and .wav, depending on what you need. And that's how to use FL Studio on your Mac the right way in 2025.